We'll guide you through how to set up an HP laptop for the first time and the first time powering it on. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I literally just got this out of the box, so let's go and get started with setting it up. So to go and get started, what we're going to do is we're going to go and power it. So go and grab its cable, the adapter, plug this end into the laptop. It'll go in this port here, so you can go and plug that in and plug the other end into the wall. And then what you want to do is come onto the keyboard and we can go and find the power button. Now go and press and hold that down for a couple of seconds and release. And now it's going to go and start. Be patient and then you should go and see the boot screen. As you can see, it's now loading. So go and be patient until we get to the next step. Now it says just a moment. So Windows is now going to go and start the process of setting up. Here it's now loaded. So you need to go and choose the right country or region. So you can come onto the trackpad here and start moving your cursor around. Select the one. If you want to go and scroll, click and hold this and then click it and drag down with your cursor. Then what you can do is you can go and press yes at the bottom. Now go and wait. You can go and choose the keyboard layout and input method. United Kingdom's correct. Once again, you can click, hold, and then drag down if you need to. Then you press yes by clicking on it like this. You can add another. I'm not going to. I'll press skip. Now we can go and connect to a network. So with this, we can then get connected to the internet. So my network is called GR. So let me click on that. And then you can go and press connect. Go and enter in the password. Find this on the router. Go and press next like so. And it's just going to go and check the connection there. We're now connected. Press next at the bottom like this and go and wait. It's going to go and check if there are any available updates for Windows. I'm finding this process is taking a good few minutes. So go and be patient while this goes and completes and it gets things updated for you. So everything is going to go and be ready. It's now gone and just restarted and it's now ready to go and continue. Make sure you go and read through the license agreement. I already have. So what I'm going to do here is go and press accept in the bottom right. Now we can go and name the laptop. This makes it easy to go and identify if you're referencing on a network or for other things as well. So let me go and type in a name here. Make sure you go and follow the rules. It goes and says them down below. It's quite strict. And then what you can do is go and press next at the bottom. It's now downloading, so go and be patient while this goes and completes. The update process is now completed. My laptop went and restarted. Now this did take a good bit of time, probably around 30 minutes to an hour, so do be patient. When it's finished, we brought to this screen here. And then what we can do is come down here and click sign in. Now, what we can do is we can go and sign in to our Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can go and create one. Otherwise, enter in your email, phone, or Skype. Go and press next like so. And then we can go and complete the authenticator. We can press other ways to sign in. I'm going to use my password. I'll then go and press sign in like so. And it should now log us in. You can go and create a PIN to help secure your laptop as well. So I'm going to go and enter this in now. Press OK after confirming it. There are going to be some different options here. So you can choose if you want Microsoft apps and Microsoft to be able to use your location. I'll select no and press accept. Choose if you want Find My Device. This can be good for being able to go and track it. I'm going to press no though. Choose if you want to go and send diagnostic data. I'll set required only and press accept. Then for this, I'll press no. Of course, this is all going to be sort of personal. So you can go and set this to your liking, read it through and choose the option you want. I'm being prompted here to go and restore from my PC backup. If you don't want to, you can press more options. And then what I'm going to do is just go and set this up as a new PC. It may make sense to go and restore if you want to, but I'm going to set it up as a new PC. So I'll click there. It's already filled out the register and protect for me. So I'll go and press next and choose if you want to go and accept this here and then go and press next. They can help customize your experience. Personally, I'm going to go and skip this, but you can go through it as well. You can use your phone from your PC. I'll press skip there as well. You can do a Windows backup here. Otherwise, we can just press only save files to this PC. There'll be more options as well. Choose if you want to go and set them up. Otherwise, we can just go and press skip or we can go and press not now. That's it. We've now successfully gone and set it up and we can go and start using it. You can see the different options at the bottom. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.